Hello everyone and welcome to ZapFix. Today we're gonna disassemble an iPad Pro 12.9-inch 5th gen. We're starting by heating the top edge of the screen. That's where the glue is the weakest, so it's the best spot to begin. Once you get a tiny opening, slide in a plastic pick. Don't force it, just ease it in. If it's stubborn, reheat the area or dab a bit of alcohol to soften the adhesive. Now work your way around the edges slowly. Don't jam the pick in too deep. There are sensors glued to the underside of the screen, and you don't want to damage those. Once the screen is loosened, you can insert extra picks to keep the screen from sealing back down. Think of them as spacers. They hold the gap open while you work. Now gently lift the screen, just a little bit. Don't go full clamshell yet. There's a sensor flex cable still connected to the mainboard, and if you yank it, it's game over for that cable. Now, you can slide the screen downward just enough to spot the sensor flex connection. It's short, so don't overextend. Now you can unscrew the shield and upload the cable safely. Next, remove the insulation tape on the mainboard. Just grab and pull gently. Now we're unscrewing the shields on the mainboard. These cover the key connectors underneath, so take your time and keep track of the screws. There are more screws at the top and bottom of the mainboard. You'll also see antenna connectors and flex cables for the buttons and camera. Unplug everything carefully. Once all connectors are free, you can heat the underside of the mainboard or use alcohol to loosen it from the frame. It's held down by adhesive, so don't pry. Let the heat or alcohol do the work. And now the battery is ready to come out too. So, that's your teardown. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more repair guides and teardown walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and remember, patience beats force every time.